In this section, we're going to be using a media search tool to insert a graphic. Sometimes when we want to place a graphic into our lesson, we may not have it locally stored. What SoftCHalk has given you is a media search tool. Choose Tools from the menu bar, select Media Search. You then have a list of repositories that contain learning objects. If you choose a repository, the first time it will ask you or tell you you must agree to the licensing option of that particular repository. You click on I agree. Then you may also be able to configure that object by clicking on the Configure button. I'm going to search inside of Flickr. I then select Flickr. I then go to the Keywords line and type in Martin Van Buren or the text that I'm searching for. So we're now searching in two different repositories. We can change the maximum number of results from 25 to 50 to 75 or 100. I'll click on Search, and in a few seconds we'll see the results. I'll scroll down and find the object that I'm looking for. I can click on the line and it selects the object. To view it in details, we can click on the Details button and then click on the Image URL line. It shows us in a browser what the image looks like. We close the browser, we're back to Results Detail. We also can close that. We can also find the details by clicking directly on the image itself. To insert the image into our lesson, we select it and click Insert. The image is now completed. We see that. We click OK. Then we can close the Media Search dialog window. This image is ready for us to edit. We can modify the image, change the alignment. We can draw a border around the image. I'm going to put in a border width of 2. I also can type in a long description of the image. And then I also have the ability of resizing or of putting in a vertical spacing. I'm going to add vertical and horizontal spacing of 10. I'm also going to resize the image, and notice when I change the height, the width changes at the same rate. We then click OK, and there's our image. We also can modify the size of the image by selecting it, grabbing hold of a corner dot, and dragging. And there is our image from our Media Search tool.